this one just doesn't feel
Really?
right.
Feels different?
Yeah, like it's
Hmm.
not in the right place.
Is this today, new thing? Or you
It's
had
kind
this
of always
before?
been there, but not as bad.
It's because you're getting old.
I think
Probably.
so.
Where is it? Is it like in the crease that you feel it, or where do you feel it?
Like right in here.
Okay.
Like if I do this, I'm okay, but like feels very awkward to do that motion.
Okay. Is it deep within the joint space, or do you feel
That's
like
what
it's
it
at the
feels.
top?
No, it feels like really in there.
Really in there, but nothing like on the side,
No.
in the back, just right in the front?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check it out. Other than that, how is everything?
Good. The same tiredness that's kind of always there,
Yeah.
but otherwise, not. I have no excruciating pain.
Okay. And how'd you do after the massage, too? How'd you hold up?
Good, but it just felt like it. I don't know. Everything kind of went back into place.
Yeah. How long did it last?
Until Friday night
Okay.
is when I started noticing it again.
Okay, that's not awful.
No.
Okay, so Clifton here has been coming in for about 1.5 years. And he came in initially with back pain.
Mm-hmm.
And ever since then, we've kind of been working on anything that's bothered him. So he's got a couple new things going on today that we'll work on. Got a little hip issue and a little knee issue. How long has the knee been going on, you said?
About 2 weeks. It's not really that big of a deal, it's just strange.
But enough to notice. Okay. What's this hip, right? The left one? Okay,
Yep.
you can pick your hands up. Alright, go ahead and roll on your side facing me this way. Behind you. Alright, no, we're doing something else. On your side, all the way. Okay. Let me know if this bothers you at all. Just relax for me.
Okay.
Any pain with that?
No.
No? Push your knee against my hand.
Oh, yeah, that.
That hurts?
Mm-hmm.
When you go towards your head?
Yep.
That hurts? Okay. Same kind of pain
Yeah.
that you were having? Okay, you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Any pain with that?
No.
No pain? Still no pain?
No.
Okay. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do, it looks like it's probably your hip flexor. It's putting some stress on the front of your hip, like on your hip joint.
Okay. I've never heard of that. Okay.
Your hip flexor?
Mm-hmm.
You've heard of that, or
No,
you've never
I've
heard
never
of
heard of
it?
that.
You know how when you're doing sit-ups,
Uh-huh.
you know how when you engage this part along with your
Okay.
abs? That's your hip flexor.
Ah.
Yeah, so it helps you do this, basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you do this, you'll probably feel that tendon, that big tendon down in there.
I gotcha. Okay.
For your iliopsoas, if you want the, technical term for it.
Ooh,
Yeah, it's
okay.
actually your iliacus muscle and your psoas muscle. They merge and form your iliopsoas
Oh.
once they cross a certain point in your hip. All right, lay on your side for a little bit. So what I'm going to do is just stretch that out. So I'm going to pin it down here,
Okay.
and then just stretch your leg out to
Okay.
the side, okay? And if it bothers you too much, let me know. We'll switch it up. Alrighty, so just relax. Let me do all the work here. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Still good?
Yep.
Still good? Still good?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now you can talk to me.
Yeah, no, I'm back there. Oh.
You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Big time.
Okay, just check. I'm free to breathe.
Yeah. weird.
It's weird.
Like you're getting, like, if, oh,
Eh?
I feel it. It's like,
You guys are funny. Alright, you alright?
mm-hmm.
Still with me?
Yep.
Alright, don't roll off here.
Okay. Yep, I'm
Alright,
breathing.
go ahead and lay on your back.
Your other
Come
bag.
to that. And we'll come back to it. Alright. Bend your knee a little bit here. So where's your knee bothering you today?
It's on the upper portion of it.
At the top?
Mm-hmm.
Any pain?
No.
No pain? And you said you feel it when you're walking
Like when I'm like trying to
upstairs or
go upstairs, yeah.
upstairs?
Mm-hmm.
You ever feel like it's giving out on you at all?
Sometimes.
Okay. Does it ever lock?
No, I've never had it locked, but I have had it a couple times like where I've taken a step and like I've just lost that leg for a second, but
Okay.
it comes right back. And
Right.
it's never back to back,
Okay.
so
And you've never injured it before?
no.
Anything? You pain with that?
No.
You pain with that? Okay, just kick your leg up towards the ceiling. And just push.
Just push,
Just push.
okay.
Yeah, sorry. Push up towards my hands. Don't sling me across the room.
You don't
Alright, you can
understand.
relax. That's okay, my explanations are sometimes terrible. Any pain with that?
No.
Felt nothing with that? Okay. Okay, do you ever hear any clicking or popping?
Well, my knee cracks all the time.
Okay, but like crackling, not like pop?
Well, like when you
Like grinding or
No.
like,
no.
okay.
It's like when you do my neck, it's like
Okay,
kind of one of those.
okay, one of those. Okay. And have you ever had any imaging done on your knee?
No.
MRI, X-ray, anything like that? Okay. Typically when your knee gives out, it's like a ligament that's weak or partially torn,
Mm-hmm.
like ACL type of
Okay.
thing. If it's doing it on occasion, it's probably not a big deal to where you need like further intervention in terms of like surgery,
Yeah.
that sort of thing.
That's what I'm like, oh. No.
Yeah, no, that's the typically won't come unless you really feel like it's really doing it all the
Bad,
time or
okay.
interfering with your life significantly.
No.
So something like this, I'll check kind of the joints around the knee to see if we can do some adjustments or something. If not, we can do I can give you some exercises to do to
Okay.
help strengthen the muscles around the knee because that'll help support the joint. I actually have a issue in my knee too, and as long as I exercise and keep the muscles tight, I don't really have any issues.
Okay.
So
That sounds good to me.
not really.
And I still hear Kenny G, so I know that I'm not going crazy.
Are you sure? Because I don't hear it.
Oh yeah, it's there. You okay?
No, you weren't supposed to admit it was there.
Oh, okay. You're like, oh, shh, and I'm thinking I'm breaking your knee in half.
Right.
Alright, you can roll on your back.
That was like a clunk.
That was a good one, yeah.
Yeah. Your hip's probably gonna feel a lot better.
I
Hope
love
so.
when it does.
Yeah, I hope your hip feels better too in the front. Scooch that a direction, yeah, a little bit, just like an inch maybe. Put your feet up on the bench. Don't act like you've never done this before.
Sorry.
Get it together.
I know. This isn't my first time.
This ain't your first rodeo.
Alright, tuck your chin. Hold that. One more time. Alright, tuck your chin, keep it tucked, and relax. Huh, no action there, no.
No.
See, and I'm usually the problem one.
Yeah,
with
you
that.
were good today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eh.
Well, look at it. Some of you guys have right side problems.
Hmm.
Some of you guys have right side problems.
Hmm.
What's up with that?